Hello students. Students, after having understood that what is poverty, what is the ratio of poor in India, why poverty, now we have to understand what is government doing to elevate this poverty, to remove this poverty. So here we learn poverty elevation program. There are certain programs that is run by government, different schemes crafted for different category of people in order to ensure that a huge mass, a lot of diversity suffering from poverty, government can help them. So there are certain categories. Let us first understand what each category is. Okay. So wage based employment program. Now the name is wage. Wage means some amount that is paid by government, what we call salary, what we call daily wage. So in this program, there will be certain schemes for different type of people. Say for example, laborers, artisans, craftsmen, dairy people, farmers. There will be some employment program running for each one, wherein government will give wage, wherein these people will receive wages. Okay. Next is self-employment program. Now name says self-employment. So these programs would be such wherein government will provide all the necessary facilities. Government will provide training, government will ensure that a person gets skilled enough, government will also support providing the equipments by way of giving loans and subsidies, and government will want that that person will employ his own self, so that government does not need to pay wages to everybody, right? So there are many programs that we'll be learning which will be self-employment program. Next is related to food security. Like we understood in the reasons of poverty, students, that major income, as it is poor person earns very less, and from that major amount is spent by way of food. So here government is ensuring that they get food at very low prices. That also you will learn that to what extent it's low. It's almost free actually. Program related to social safety. Poor people are maximum victims of social problems. So here their social safety is ensured. You see children, doesn't it sound very complete package wherein certain section who cannot employ themselves, government give wages. Some people who are capable but needs help is also provided help with. In order to see that their maximum income does not go in food, they are given food security. In order to see that they are protected from social problems, they are given social safety. And program for urban areas. Problem of poor in village and problem for poor in rich are different. So they are specially crafted for city area poor people. Let us try to understand each one. Students, there will be a series of programs that I will be explaining you, and you have to remember these keywords, but then you have to write it in a sentence form when you are asked in your boards. So first of all, out of all these categories, we are here to understand agriculture employability program. So it is specially for rural areas, that is villages, and it is not related to anything other than agriculture. So these programs will help the farmers to get rich, or these programs will help the poor farmers cross their poverty line and they become above poverty line people, APLs. Okay, so here we go. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Children, I will always help you to understand the name first, because when you will understand the name and you will just remember the name, you will be able to produce content. How? Let us see. See, this is Pradhan Mantri written here. So can we say that it comes from central government? The grant comes from central government. Krishi as in farmer. Sinchai Yojana. Sinchai is to fetch water. So obviously from the name you can make out that it is something related to water in villages, and this program is created by the central government. So now let us see. See, here they say the goal of this Yojana is program scheme, is to increase production of agriculture. In order to increase production, we need water. So irrigation facility is increased, and for irrigation sometimes where tube wells are not possible, and if that region gets good water, then more number of check dams are constructed. So with the help of these hashtags, you can understand that what this Yojana must be all about, and then you can elaborate in form of sentence. So basically this is most friendly way to remember, to retain for long time. I hope you are clear with Krishi Sinchai. Now we come with the next. Prime Minister Farm Insurance Plan. Now again you can see that since it is Prime Minister written here, so it must be covering the whole of nation because it is central government promoting. Farm insurance. See, farming is all about depending on nature totally, whether it is growing crops, whether it is fertility of soil, whether it is availability of water, maybe natural calamities as well like heavy thunderstorms and anything. So here farm safety is given priority. Farm, if they are safe, then whatever it will produce will directly be benefited to farmer, and farmer will not be poor. So natural calamities are covered inside this, and there is a beautiful organization, a body setup known as Kshati Mukt Krishi Bhav Panch. So Kshati is fault, Kshati Mukt is without any defects, Krishi Bhav Panch. So the farmers should get proper justice. The farmers, it's like, see, natural calamity at times would be throughout the country, but then at times it would be only in a small patch of the country, a small patch of a state, a small patch of a village. Does not mean that it did not harm. So all the cases for these natural calamities are looked after by this Kshati Mukt Krishi Bhav Panch, and they see that farmers get maximum benefited. Now next is National Drinking Water Program. Like it is important to give water to farms in villages in order to maintain health, in order to see that people don't need to spend money on good water, they get it for free. This program helps to make sure that water is received everywhere, in farms, in homes, everywhere. So water to every field is the goal, and for that canals, well, tube well, dams are being constructed by government. Money is provided to farmer by way of subsidy to make it in their own field. State government also helps under the name Poverty Welfare State. So here it's not only the role of, though name is national, it's not only promoted by central government, even state government takes interest, does interfere and work in the direction. Okay. And last is ENAM scheme. Now this ENAM is not a gift, it's ENAM. NAM is name, E is on online platform. So all the farmers will have to register themselves. There will be a body of government who will register all the farmers. There will be details mentioned that which farmer produces what crop and related information. So that when the farmer is ready with his produce, he does not need to go to the marketing yard, he does not have to bargain with the traders. There will be so many middlemen in between, and because of that the wealth of farmer gets drained. So that won't happen. Here the online trade portal is enabled, farmers are given benefit, there is a bid, maximum bid, whosoever gives the farm product is sold to that fellow. So in order to avoid mediators and increase the profit for farmers, this ENAM scheme is really helpful. So children, we understood all the agriculture employability program. You can see that they are all related to farm, they are all related to increase the income of farmers. They are focused from all angles. You see, this is only to make sure that production increases. Okay, I forgot to mention one data. In India, out of every 100 farms, 40 are under irrigation. It must be more, but the latest data that I have in my textbooks is 40 farms at least. So yes, our government is working. Here you saw that in order to protect them from uncertainties, from the things that is beyond everyone's control, government helps. Here you saw that central and state government are into a collab to make sure that water is always available. And here you saw that once it is once the product is ready by all this, it is sold off in a good value. So that the farmer gets the actual benefit of the prices in the market, right? So coming up with the next programs in the next class. See you then. Bye bye.